NASA warns of 5 more asteroids that are set to pass Earth as scientists devise ways to protect our planet from an asteroid impact. NASA raised the alarm over yet another 5 space rocks heading our way. It's fortunate researchers have also revealed a potentially ingenious way, a new strategy for dealing with such threats should they come too close to our Earth. Another week, another warning of impending asteroid activity in our Earth's vicinity, with at least 5 asteroids ranging in size from a smaller passenger jet to roughly the size of an apartment building, and they're set to shoot past the Earth, 3 of which are only spotted in the last 2 months. Now, it's good enough that the closest of any of them will be coming to us is 1.2 million miles, or 1.9 million kilometers. That's 5 times the distance between Earth and the Moon, so those concerned can breathe a sigh of relief. It will not be an opportunity for scientists to try an ingenious method that may help defend humanity from going the way of the dinosaurs. Researchers at the University of Central Florida found that tethering any inbound killer asteroid to another nearby space rock, in other words, somehow tying a smaller asteroid to a bigger asteroid, would shift their shared center of gravity by just enough to avoid any catastrophic collision with Earth. Scientists specifically studied what would happen if this method were used to deflect the Bennu asteroid if it were on a collision course with Earth, and they found that if Bennu was caught early enough, this technique would actually work. But much the same as the standard deflection method, which have long been considered but of course never actually tried, including the nuclear weapon usage or battering ram in the form of a rocket to nudge the space rock off course. Early detection and action would be absolutely vital. Now, concerning this week's close flybys, the detection capabilities still have plenty of room for improvement, especially if people are to reach asteroids before they pass the so-called keyhole passage or point of no return, after which collision with the Earth would be a guarantee. Also, another rock in the vicinity is needed to tether the asteroid in order to successfully knock it off its course, which is yet another huge ask in an already risky life to death for all of humanity kind of way. So in these circumstances, it looks like good fortune that the asteroids do not pose any threat and will not give people a chance to put their defensive techniques to the tests. What defensive techniques we have, I don't even know if we can use them in time. But anyway, this is one of the latest techniques they have, is tethering one asteroid to the other to change the trajectory and the center of gravity to have them going to a different type of trajectory. This is on Bended Reality from RT. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.